Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, sharing, and leaving a comment below. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects many of us, especially in the colder months or during flu season: how to get rid of a bad cough. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step 1. Assess the severity. First things first, assess the severity of your cough. If your cough has lasted for more than 3 weeks, or it's causing shortness of breath, fever, or chest pain, consult a healthcare provider immediately. It could be more serious than a simple cough. Step 2. Stay hydrated. Drinking fluids is essential when you have a cough. Staying hydrated helps to keep your throat moist and relieve irritation. Water is your best friend here, but warm beverages like herbal tea can also be soothing. In a 2008 study published in the journal Chest, it was found that hot beverages provide immediate and sustained relief from symptoms of a runny nose, cough, sneezing, sore throat, chilliness, and tiredness compared to drinking room temperature water. Step 3. Use a humidifier. Adding moisture to the air can help relieve a cough. Dry air is known to worsen cough. A humidifier can add the necessary moisture. Make sure to clean the humidifier regularly to prevent mold buildup. Step 4. OTC cough medicine. For a persistent cough, consider over-the-counter cough medicines. Guaifenesin can help loosen mucus, while cough suppressants like dextromethorphan can offer temporary relief. Always consult a healthcare provider before combining medications or using them for extended periods. Step 5. Natural remedies. Natural remedies like honey and ginger can also provide relief. A 2018 study in the journal Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine demonstrated the benefits of ginger in treating coughs. You can make a simple ginger lemon tea at home. Boil some water, add slices of fresh ginger and lemon, and simmer for a few minutes. After it cools down a bit, add a spoonful of honey for taste and added benefits. Step 6. Saltwater gargle. Gargling with salt water can relieve a sore throat, which often accompanies a cough. Dissolve a teaspoon of salt in warm water, take a sip, and gargle for a few seconds before spitting it out. Don't swallow the water. Step 7. Elevate your head. Elevating your head while sleeping can help relieve cough. This is particularly useful for a cough caused by postnasal drip. A more upright position allows mucus to flow down naturally. Step 8. Seek professional help. If your cough persists or worsens, it's essential to consult a healthcare provider. They can properly diagnose the underlying issue and provide more targeted treatments. There you have it. Those are the steps to get rid of that pesky cough. Remember to consult a healthcare provider for persistent or severe cough symptoms. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and take care.